This is an Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl Sounds of Shar'e special segment. I'm bringing you backstage exclusive footage that you won't see anywhere else from the 2022 Young Jock and Friends comedy tour.
I got no self-esteem about this shit. You keep thinking of this shit. She told me, look at his hips. Your first comedian of the night, you ain't seen this nigga on shit. Coming all the way from down the street. Put your hands together for the winning because you just needed some shit to do. Nigga in the front and all white, he making up. Yeah. I know what that nigga making up. I done had some making up to do, nigga. I see that nigga like, bro. Why she on her head now? How you doing? Is this a date or is this nigga making up? Is this a makeup date? Or your husband? Big boy player? Big boy say, nigga, I'm married too. What married folks in the house? Where y'all at? Make some noise.
You seen it here first, only on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl Sounds of Shar'e. I'm bringing you exclusive footage that you won't see anywhere else. Make sure you stay tuned to me and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sounds of Shar'e. Follow me on Instagram at sounds_of_share and join me on Facebook at Sounds of Shar'e. Official episode will air April 18th at 7 p.m. on my YouTube channel, Sounds of Shar'e. This episode was officially brought to you by Key Touch Studios and sponsored by Rhyme Aside Clothing, Square Life Clothing Brand, Films by Shar'e, and Amps Magazine and Amps TV. Are you ready? Why choose Entrepreneurs United LLC? Because here, we get it done. We serve you with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Send your inquiries over to entrepreneursunited15@gmail.com.